In this video, I'm gonna perform the fingerprint sensor speed test on the Xiaomi 17T. I'm gonna check how fast the sensor reacts to the fingerprint and how long does it take to actually unlock the phone. And I'm gonna start with the lock screen, of course. Over here we have our fingerprint sensor, and as you can see, tapping doesn't work, which is reasonable because this is not ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, it is optical. So let's call it the standard sensor, which is used by most of Android smartphones. Those high-end smartphones actually usually have ultrasonic sensors nowadays, where you can just simply tap on the sensor in order to unlock the phone. But in here, still, even though this is the optical sensor, you don't have to hold your finger for too long. So as you can see, I can still very quickly unlock my phone with my fingerprint. I don't have to hold my finger for even half a second to be able to unlock the phone. Not even a quarter of a second, I would say. Maybe actually it is like quarter of a second. Maybe something like that. But still, considering the fact that this is the optical fingerprint sensor, I have to say that it is very fast, at least on the lock screen. We're gonna check other screens just in a second. So I'm willing to say that currently this is one of the fastest optical fingerprint sensors that we have on Android smartphones nowadays. Maybe there are some faster ones, although I cannot really tell which smartphones have faster ones. But yeah, considering the fact that we didn't have to hold for too long, just like a tiny fraction of a second, in order to unlock the phone, it's of course a very good news for those who like to quickly unlock the phone and they don't like to hold the finger for too long on the display. So yeah, I would say it's pretty fast. Now let's take a look when the screen is off. So when you turn off the screen, when you lock the phone completely, we still have a couple of seconds to unlock the phone. So we have the sensor visible, and in here the sensor is pretty much as fast as on the lock screen. I don't think there is any difference, at least I cannot really tell. I just hold the finger for pretty much the same amount of time as on the lock screen. Of course, tapping doesn't work, but that's already something that we know. But if you hold for pretty much the same amount of time as on the lock screen, you can still unlock the phone, which is of course also a very good thing. Sadly, the sensor is visible only for a couple of seconds after locking the phone, and then it disappears. So usually optical fingerprint sensors, when they are not displayed on the screen, when they are, let's call it, asleep, then it takes a slightly longer time to actually recognize the fingerprint and unlock the phone. So as you can see now, the sensor is completely gone, so I can expect that I will have to hold my finger for a slightly longer time. Yeah, there we go. So the phone definitely needs a bit of time to wake up the sensor when the display is completely off, which is of course something that happens with pretty much every optical fingerprint sensor. So nothing out of ordinary over here. It's not like the sensor is now suddenly bad or something. This is just the standard for optical sensors, and you actually have to hold for a tiny bit longer time. Still, you don't have to hold for too long, I would say. So maybe instead of like holding a finger for like a quarter of a second, now you need to hold it for like maybe a second, something like that. I'm gonna give it a couple of more tries, just in case, just to verify that. Yeah, I would say now it extends to like a second or so. So it's still pretty good, it's still pretty solid. Most of the time, of course, you want to unlock the phone when the screen is completely off. So for some people, this might be the most important part of this test, because usually you just take out your phone and then you hold your finger and then you have to unlock it when the screen is off. It's not like you press the power button in order to wake up the lock screen or something and then you use the fingerprint. It's not how you usually do. Usually you just use the fingerprint sensor straight away, even if it's not awakened. So yeah, so still, I would say the sensor is still pretty fast. It's definitely one of the faster ones, and I think, for considering the fact that we have the optical sensor, I'm willing to say that this is a pretty fast fingerprint sensor. It's definitely It shines definitely when we are talking about the lock screen or when the sensor is activated. And it needs some time to wake up and recognize the fingerprint to unlock the phone when the screen is completely off. But I would say that it's still a pretty solid fingerprint sensor when we talk about the speed. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.